Hi guys! So today I'm going to be showing you how I got this look. Okay, sorry, that was my phone. But I'm going to be showing you how I got this look, how practicing is making me more confident with trying bolder eyeshadow looks, and I really am impressed. I outdid myself. I really like it. So I'm going to be showing you how I got this look. Please stay tuned. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, like and comment, and share this video if you really enjoyed it. That will be awesome. Alright guys, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so just did my eyebrows. Now let's do, you know what I forgot to put on? My Beauty Bakery oil, my baking oil. But I'm just going to put that on my face first. Okay, so how is everybody's December going so far? I don't know if you watched my other video. I can't remember which video it was. I was showing you guys the snow globe. My daughter took it and I've been looking for it ever since. I'm really upset about it. I want my snow globe back. One time I was actually like, I had to go run and get a package. I had to sign for a package at my door, and I heard the door, someone knocking on the door, and I'm like, I've been waiting for this package all day, like, or maybe all week, and I'm like, okay, I was like at this step when I was doing my makeup. I was in the midst of doing my makeup, and I was at this step, and I had to run and go get it, and the guy, the UPS driver was like, looking at my eyebrows, trying not to make, trying not to make it obvious that he's looking at my eyebrows and my concealer. Funny story. So we're using the James Charles Morphe palette. Alright guys, so this is going to be super simple, but it's going to look like it was a lot of work. That's what this look is kind of for. So I'm going to go in with this matte pink, the hot pink right here. See it? That's going to be the base of my lids. And we're going to cover up everything. Okay, with a different brush, with my E13 Ashley Lee brush, I'm going to do another matte, this matte orange up here, and that's going to go right in this corner lid. Okay? We're just going to pat that in. You want to pat it because it'll bring out the color a lot more than brushing it across. Patting it keeps a lot of the color in place. These colors, this palette, the colors are super pigmented, so they're super bright. And I mean, like, you can see it from a mile away. That's why I really chose this palette to do this look. And even on the cover of this palette, James Charles is a picture of him with a very colorful look. It's a very smart idea because you know what palette to choose if you want to do a look like this. Okay, now we're going to go in with this this matte blue right here, this bright matte blue, very vibrant color. Different brush, of course. And we're going underneath, about halfway. And we're just going to pat that on as well. And it's going to be along our tear line. Try not to touch your tear line too much because you can start to, of course your eyes will start to water up. I want to check a different palette to see if I have a brighter green, because the green in this palette is not that bright. Yeah, so okay, we're going to use our Ashley Lee Cosmetics Clutch palette. It has a green in there that's super bright. Oops, sorry. Right there. Here we go. That's the one we're going to use for this, but with a different brush. Okay, I'm going to go with this brush, another same company, Mada Pro. Some more angled brush, and I can really get that perfect line. Come through. Okay. Do it on the other side. We're going to use that matte purple. It's very bright purple in the Ashley Lee Cosmetics Clutch palette. That's really what I wanted. No shimmers right now. Okay guys, not bad for my first time trying that. That's not bad at all. I like it. Wow, very colorful. Okay guys, let's get into the rest of my face. I really like using colors. I'm obsessed with it. Alright guys, so I have ordered, like, cause I like to paint, but I'm not really good at it. I mean, I can't draw, but I like painting. It relaxes me, you know. So I have ordered, you guys remember Bob Ross? You know, everybody knows who Bob Ross is. If you don't know, he used to teach on TV. This was like maybe in the 70s. Oh, I hope I'm not saying it wrong. 70s or 80s. He would teach people how to paint on TV. He had a TV show, and he just was like a sensation, you know. He was awesome, very motivational, you know, very inspiring guy, words of wisdom, stuff like that. So I ordered his set they still sell it from his website and everything. They still sell it, so I ordered it from his website, and I got it maybe last week. And like, my goal is to every morning or maybe 3 times a week get up and just paint to relieve stress. Because who really, like, stress, the benefits of painting is actually really good. Like, it relieves stress, anxiety, stuff like that. Why not do that why not pick up a hobby with something I already like to do? I already like to paint, but why not learn how to do it really, you know? I mean, you don't have to learn. You can just do your own thing, and you can learn your own way. But I thought it was really cool. I ordered the easel, the canvases, everything. I'm super excited to get started with that. I just have to make sure that I do it when my daughter is like either asleep or, you know, when I have enough for her to do too. Because she's not going to let me do this on my own, you know what I mean? And the whole point of me doing it is really to take a break for a couple, maybe an hour or two while she's asleep from mommying. Because mommying is stressful sometimes. That's what they don't tell you, but being a mother is stressful. So you gotta find your things, you gotta find your ways to relieve it in a healthy way, of course. And that's what I am doing. Every day, like I said in other videos, you know how I am. I like to challenge myself every day with something new, a new challenge. You know what I mean? And that's the goal until the end of the year. And then it's going to go into the new year. Just challenging myself. Here is my cat at the door, of course, trying to get in, as usual. Oh, guys, I honestly forgot what we were talking about before. I think we were talking about Bob Ross. So anyway, I think if I want to learn how to paint, you know, painting is so soothing anyway. But if I want to learn how to paint, Bob Ross is the way to go. You can also always teach yourself. Alright, let's do that. Those bottom lashes. I barely have any. Do you ever see people's when they're like super thick? I'm like, wow. I barely have any of those, so. I really like it.